You know, I have to show you the one that works, right? Okay, I got it this time. I was going to throw this out because I couldn't get it to turn. It's a miter saw. It's a compound miter saw. And I just decided I was going to chuck it. Well, give it to someone else to work on and I'd get a new one. Except a new one, $400 to $900. And I thought, well, it's not working. So I can't do any damage to it, right? Look at that. And I gotta reset it. The scale's not quite right here. And it locks. Oh. Maybe I put a little too much wax on there. There we go. So anyway, my point is this. We're in a disposable society. And I could have tossed this away. Bought a new one for $400, $900. And I decided to take a look. And all it was really dirty. Really dirty. So I greased everything underneath. And then spent the rest of the time trying to keep the little ball bearing on this slot under a spring. This is not very accurate. It does a good job on dent, dent, but it goes dent, dent. And I kept going dent. I hear the ball move. Anyway, I now have an exceptionally easy fixed. It's fixed. It's fixed. Saved myself $400.